Hey, another unboxing. Let's get into it. Stereo Jimbo 2. More sticker. What is this? A Divo. Another Divo. Cool. We got some Divo pin. We got Divo knives pin. We got a screw. We got a screw. Oh, My Little Pony Stout. And another screw. And a sticker. Another pony sticker. Alright, let's see what's in this one. Silica gel. So, I got the new Pony Stout. This is the all black G10. It feels really good. Cool. Not as small as I thought it would be. Let's try a flick. Nice. Alright. Very cool. I like this all black version. It's neat texturing on there. Feel it a little bit. Not much. Can you thumb it? Oh yeah. Very cool. And I couldn't decide which one I wanted. So I just went with two. This one's Stonewash and Blue Micarta. Micarta feels good. I see what the extra screws for. Stick it in the hole. Flick this guy open. Awesome. Good looking Stonewash blade. Very cool. I can get a full grip on it all the way down on the handle. Very cool blade shape. And these turned out really nice. Might need a little work on the detent for this one. It's sitting in there. There we go. I don't know. They both look really good. Guess I'm glad I went with 2 of them. Very cool. Well, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. Have a great day.